So you have a phone and you have a camera. Maybe you have this Insta360 Go 3 like me. So what do you choose for vlogging? In this video, I'm going to compare using your iPhone or other phone versus a small action camera like this Go 3, or maybe your Go 2, or another action camera for day-to-day vlogging, so you can choose the right equipment for the intensity and type of vlogging you might be planning. Choosing the right equipment can greatly affect the balance between quality and convenience of our vlogs. So in this video, I'll compare the advantages and disadvantages of these two popular options. Vlogging is everywhere these days, and we have loads of new tech to play with. Most vloggers start with what they've already got in their pocket, an iPhone. iPhones are awesome because you get both a phone and a killer camera in one package. But small cameras for vlogging like the Go 3 may be the way to go if you want to upgrade your vlogging experience with cool features that you can't get on your phone. So let's dig in with 5 advantages to using your iPhone to vlog over another dedicated camera. The first advantage is quality. The video and photo features of iPhones have progressed to provide high quality results. Your vlogs will look crisp and vibrant, capturing every detail of your surroundings with the advanced camera technology and image processing software. You're also going to get that 4K footage with later models, even if you use the selfie camera. Convenience is the second advantage. Vlogging with your iPhone means no need for an extra camera. Your iPhone is the perfect tool for documenting your daily life and capturing spontaneous moments since it's always with you. Editing apps are the third advantage. You can find a variety of editing apps on the App Store that are made for iPhones. These apps provide powerful features to enhance your vlogs while on the go. You'll have a wide range of options at your disposal to make your vlogs really stand out, from basic adjustments to creative effects. Advantage number 4 is the ability to integrate with social media. The integration of iPhones and popular social media platforms is seamless. Sharing your vlogs, engaging your audience, and building a community around your content is just a few taps away. The key is to stay connected and expand your vlogging reach. By using templates from social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, creating effortless and unique vlogs is a matter of seconds away. It really is just seamless. The fifth advantage is versatility. It's a multifunctional device that can handle various tasks beyond vlogging. Your iPhone has got you covered for everything: communication, productivity, and entertainment, all in one convenient package. So those are the advantages of using your iPhone for day-to-day vlogging: quality, convenience, editing apps, social media integration, and versatility, all packed into one device. But as with any choice, there are some downsides too. Vlogging using your iPhone can really chew through your battery life, especially if using high quality video and recording for longer periods of time. That's a major disadvantage, especially if you're out and about, and even hooking up your phone for a boost from a portable battery. That can be tricky sometimes. MagSafe batteries can really help here, but their charging speed is relatively slow. The second downside is running into storage limits. I have a 128 gig iPhone 13 mini, but I have to use a cloud service to make sure I don't run out of space on my device. iCloud works really well automatically in the background, but it does take some setting up in the first place, and it comes at an additional cost too. Third, you might not want to risk your iPhone to record in certain situations. Although they're certainly a lot more durable than in the past, that's a lot of glass that's vulnerable to breaking, and a lot of valuable data that you have in that little precious rectangle that are so much tied up with all our lives these days. Lose or break that, and your world could quite literally start to fall apart, or life could at least be more challenging than you'd want it to be. The fourth disadvantage is audio quality. Though the algorithms that can clean up or directionally focus audio capture have improved a lot, those built-in microphones on iPhones and others may not provide the best audio quality, especially in windy or noisy environments. You could hook up an external microphone, but then you're getting into another realm. This video really is a straight comparison without external hardware enhancements. The fifth disadvantage is that you might be relatively limited in your field of view, especially if using that selfie cam if you want to check the footage that you're capturing. Compared to dedicated vlogging cameras, you might have a limited set of choices, making it more challenging for wide-angle selfie vlogging, really capturing a lot of that environment behind you. Alright, let me move on to some of the advantages of using a dedicated vlogging camera, and specifically here, let me talk about the Insta360 Go 3. The first pro is that it's portable. Small vlogging cameras are super light and easy to carry, which is ideal for vloggers who are always on the move. These little devices can fit in your pocket or bag, making it easy to capture memories no matter where you go. And the Go 3 is unique in being so tiny. The ability to be mounted in such a wide number of ways in different places and on different modes of transport too. The versatility and portability is a very clear advantage. Advantage 2, features that are specifically designed for vlogging. Vlogging cameras are made just for that, vlogging, and to enhance your filming. The Go 3 has features like incredible in-camera stabilization. The 2 microphone system can help with capturing better audio, though that might be on a par with what you might get out of your iPhone in less than ideal conditions. Neither are going to do particularly well when you're vlogging in windy or noisy places. Independent and possibly longer battery life is a third plus. Vlogging cameras won't die on you as fast as smartphones because they're not being used for multiple purposes. So you can vlog for ages without stressing about the battery dying. You'll be less likely to miss moments due to a drained battery. And with the Go 3, you can charge the action pod if it gets depleted while filming with the naked camera, or at least having it on standby. Durability is a big plus, number 4 on my list. These small vlogging cameras are tough enough for any weather and handling. These things are built tough, or at least most likely tougher than the slab of glass that is your iPhone. Perfect for adventurous vlogging. No matter if you're hiking, biking, or checking out new spots, high spots, or small spots, your camera can handle it all. Advantage number 5, field of view, special features, and changeable export formats. The Go 3 offers an ultra-wide field of view with that flippable selfie screen, allowing you to capture more of the scene in your shots and for you to be confident that you're capturing it right because you can monitor it yourself. The wider field of view adds an immersive element to your vlogs, making your audience feel like that they're right there with you. You also have extra functions like time shift and new features such as street lapse and match cuts that make capturing interesting footage a breeze. Add this to the fact that you can choose your export format, making sure you fill the frame, and you have a pretty good final advantage. So those are the advantages of using a small vlogging camera like the Go 3 for day-to-day vlogging. Portability, dedicated features, battery life, durability, and a wider field of view and added extra features, all tailored to enhance your vlogging experience. However, as with any choices, there are some downsides too. Drawback number 1, it's going to cost you. Using your iPhone for vlogging can be cheaper than buying an additional small vlogging camera, if you already have your iPhone, that is. If you want a good vlogging camera, you've got to pay up. But ask yourself, are the additional hardware and software features valuable enough to you? Here's the second downside, the learning curve. Using a dedicated camera may require some learning and familiarization with its settings and functions. This learning curve can take time and effort, especially if you're not familiar with camera terminology and settings. Check out my Go 3 playlist and I can help you with that learning curve, and do stay tuned for more from me on that. The third disadvantage is limited functionality compared to an iPhone. Small vlogging cameras are great for high quality footage, but they might not have all the features and capabilities of smartphones. This covers app integrations, multitasking, and other smartphone specific features. The fourth con is that of connectivity. Sharing vlogs from dedicated cameras may need extra steps compared to smartphones. Your workflow may become more complex if you need to use cables or wireless transfer methods in the case of the Go 3, or memory cards for other cameras. This can be a pain, and you need to ask yourself if that might be a deal breaker for you. The fifth disadvantage is upgrades. Compared to upgrading a dedicated camera, using an iPhone may be a more cost-effective and less frequently upgraded choice. Many people only upgrade their iPhones now every 2, 3, or even 4 years, with Apple covering you with iOS updates for up to 6 years these days. With technological advancements, newer models of cameras with improved features are frequently released, making it a continuous investment to stay up to date. Of course, that might be how you treat your iPhone hardware too. So those are the disadvantages of using a small vlogging camera for day-to-day vlogging. Cost, learning curve, limited functionality compared to a smartphone, connectivity challenges, and the need for frequent upgrades. All factors to consider when deciding on your vlogging setup. So, how do you decide? The choice between your iPhone or a small vlogging camera like the Go 3 ultimately depends upon your budget, personal preferences, and vlogging style. To make it easier, let me summarize the key points for you. If you own an iPhone and value convenience and versatility, using it for vlogging is a fantastic option. With it, you can get quality footage, easily edit with various apps, integrate with social media seamlessly, and multitask beyond vlogging. That being said, don't forget the limitations with regards to dedicated vlogging features and special effects and battery management. If your main priorities are dedicated vlogging features, portability, and potentially longer battery life, then investing in a small vlogging camera like the Go 3 is probably your best bet. The Go 3 is designed for vlogging with that flip-up screen, compact multifunctional design, multiple fields of view, special vlogging effects and features, and the ability to edit your outputs for different platforms in post. They also have great stabilization and are made with durability in mind. But think about the extra expenses, time to learn, and having to handle another device. In the end, the choice between an iPhone and a small vlogging camera is subjective and depends upon your individual needs. It's all about finding that balance between convenience, quality, and the specific features that will elevate your vlogs to the next level. Think about what matters most to you. Think about your cash, your content, and your future as a vlogger. Knowing the pros and cons will help you make the decision that's right for your vlogging style. Me, I've always used my iPhone and Go cameras together. I'll probably do the same now that I have the Go 3, but I'm going to experiment by leaning on my Go 3 a little harder. I'm going to Japan soon and will vlog exclusively with my Go 3 from there. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those and see how the Go 3 performs. Thanks for watching. Please share this video if you found it useful and be sure to come back for more. Cheers and have fun out there.